In today's video, three popular countertop ice makers are being reviewed, each designed for convenience, speed, and portability. First is the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. This machine stands out for its ability to produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in only 6 minutes. With a 1.2-liter water tank, it can create up to 26 pounds of ice in a single day. It also keeps noise levels under 45 decibels, which is about the same as a quiet freezer. At just 13 pounds with a sturdy handle, it is compact and portable, making it a smart choice for kitchens, RVs, or outdoor gatherings. The machine also comes with self-cleaning mode, a see-through window, and user-friendly controls. Its upgraded compressor saves energy, while the infrared sensors prevent overflow and remind users when water is low. These thoughtful details, paired with a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, make the EUHOMY model a trusted option for families or anyone who enjoys fresh ice at home or on the go. The second model in focus is the DUMOS Countertop Ice Maker. This machine also delivers 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, producing up to 26.5 pounds of ice in a day. However, what sets it apart is the option for 2 different cube sizes. Small cubes are excellent for keeping seafood or beer fresh, while larger cubes work well for iced coffee or mixed drinks. Its noise level stays below 40 decibels, making it even quieter than the EUHOMY. With a 1.5-liter tank and a compact design measuring 8.8 by 11.6 by 12.5 inches, it is slightly taller but still very portable at 15.4 pounds. A handle on top makes it easy to carry, and the transparent viewing window allows users to check ice production at any time. Like the EUHOMY, the DUMOS offers a self-cleaning function, which activates with a long press of the power button. The included ice scoop and removable basket make serving simple. For anyone who enjoys options in ice size, the DUMOS machine delivers strong value in a sleek, quiet package. Moving to the third contender, the Frigidaire 26-pound portable ice maker brings a different look and feel. Unlike the first 2 models, which focus on bullet-shaped cubes, the Frigidaire produces clear, squared ice cubes. It can also make ice in under 6 minutes and stores up to 2.2 pounds at a time, which is more than either of the other 2 machines. With a stainless steel body and a large transparent window, its modern design fits seamlessly into most kitchens or home bars. The electronic controls are straightforward, alerting users when the bin is full or the water tank is empty. Like the DUMOS, it also offers 2 cube sizes for versatility. While it does not highlight a self-cleaning feature, the emphasis here is on efficiency, durability, and a larger holding capacity. For users who prefer traditional square cubes with a professional look, this unit offers an edge in style and output. In summary, each of these portable ice makers meets the promise of quick and reliable ice production, but each caters to slightly different needs. The EUHOMY emphasizes portability, quiet operation, and energy efficiency, making it ideal for small households or frequent travelers. The DUMOS provides flexibility with 2 cube sizes and an ultra-quiet design, appealing to those who want variety and minimal background noise. Meanwhile, the Frigidaire model impresses with its sleek stainless steel finish, larger storage capacity, and square ice cubes that look great in cocktails or soft drinks. No matter which one is chosen, all 3 machines bring convenience, speed, and freshness to any kitchen, office, RV, or outdoor party. With reliable performance and compact designs, they prove that having an endless supply of ice at home has never been easier.